ऑन है, ऑन. So bases and alkalis. When we say base, it means it is that chemical that can neutralize an acid. Bases can be metal oxides or metal hydroxides. And these metal oxides, metal hydroxides, they have the ability to neutralize acids. Like milk of magnesia is a medicine, magnesium hydroxide, and we take it to kill the acidity inside the stomach because it neutralizes. Or magnesium oxide, when it reacts with acid, the neutral salt and hydrogen gas is produced. When metal oxide or metal hydroxide are basically the chemicals that neutralizes the acid, we call them as base. Okay, zinc hydroxide, Zentec, the tablets used as antacid. Okay, basically we call it as antacid because it kills the acidity, the H positive ion that are in plenty inside the stomach. Okay, or the toothpaste, they contain the weak bases or alkalis because they neutralizes the acidic character created by the bacteria. So bases are the one which neutralizes acid. Like soils are acidic and crops yield is low, and we mix calcium oxide, the base metal oxide, and it neutralizes the acidic character of the soil. So when we say bases, it means are those alkalis which, bases, those chemicals which neutralizes the acids. But out of these bases, there come a term called alkalis. Okay, all bases cannot be the alkalis, but all alkalis are bases, because alkalis are those bases which dissolves in water or some react with water and produces what? Solutions, and the solutions contain the alkaline nature because of presence of which ions? Hydroxyl ions. Like in acids we said acidity is because of H positive ions, but alkalinity is because of soluble, movable hydroxyl ions. Together, if they are in similar ratio, they neutralizes each other. So bases which dissolves in water, they produce hydroxyl ions, and bases which reacts with water, dissolves in water, and provide what? Alkaline solutions. So alkalis are those bases which actually dissolves in water. Some bases are insoluble, they are bases like magnesium oxide, like zinc hydroxide, magnesium hydroxides, but those which are soluble, they are alkalis. So soluble bases are alkalis. Okay, sodium oxide reacts with water, produce sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide solid, if it is already formed by this method and being solidified, crystallized, added into water, it provides an alkaline solution because it dissolves. So oxide dissolved in water reacts, basically provide alkalis, or hydroxide, solid they are, dissolves in water, makes solutions, they are basically the alkalis. Okay, we'll see some alkalis and their chemical reactions.